welcome back to my channel. So you read the title, excuse me, I'm doing a Valentine's Day look. If you checked out the description box tomorrow, well, it's gonna be Valentine's Day. So I'm like, let me get this Valentine makeup done the day before. Why did I do this? I do not know. But I was chilling and I was just like, you know what, Abigail, just do the Valentine's Day makeup look. Even though I'm single, so, but I'm still gonna do it anyway. So I'm gonna get straight into it. I'm not gonna talk. I already did my brows, as you can see. So hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you at the end of this video for the look that I create. Because I have nothing in mind. I'm just gonna go ahead and do anything. So I'm starting with my Makeup Revolution palette that I bought, and I'm going to be using the color purple. Now I will say this purple doesn't show as much on my eyelids for some reason every time I put it on. Well, this is the second time I put it on, so I don't know. But I tried the green one and the green was very light. It stood out. So now I'm going to use my Juvia Place palette, my Masquerade palette, and I'm using the color Bore, I believe that's how you say it. Now I'm going to be using my Wish palette. There's no specific name for it, so yeah, it's from Wish, so I don't know. But I have like a lot of pinks and purples in it, so I decided to use the pink. So my plan was to make this pink, but I guess once it blended in, it just turned into a lighter purple. But I was satisfied with that. I was trying to go for like a light pink on top effect, but yeah, you can go that way. So. By the way, I'm editing this the day before, so I hope you guys really enjoy this video because I'm staying up to do this. And I filmed this today too. So now I'm going to use my Tarte Maneater mascara. And then I don't know, I was just like, I'm not feeling all these marks on my face. So I decided to use, because I didn't do any foundation, that is. Oh wait, I didn't get to that step yet. So I'm gonna use my Sorme Cosmetics lip stain that I got from Lip Monthly. So as I was saying earlier, I used the, oh, I didn't get to that step yet. I'm sorry, I'm just rushing it. So I'm using my Ruby Crystals. It's a pressed powder, but it still worked well to like kind of take out all the blemishes. Kind of, not really, but you know. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, you comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.